The first thing that starts is how do you perceive the issue? I'll give examples. With Ramesh, we were doing a study on ultra poor, in particularly vulnerable tribal groups in Madhya Pradesh, Begas and Saharias. So the idea was, what is the parameter for identifying an ultra poor? That was a very objective, and how do we reach them? So as we went about doing stakeholder consultations, especially with NRLM and SRLM and government and everybody, we constantly heard one statement from everybody. थोड़ा शब्द इधर उधर होता था, बट अरे साहब ये तो बड़े कंटेंट है, इनको मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. नाउ दिस होल आइडिया कि ये पर्टिकुलरली वनरेबल ट्राइबल ग्रुप संतुष्ट हैं वॉज टेकन एज अ गॉस्पेल ट्रूथ बाय एवरीबडी. भाई सो मच सो दैट इनिशियली हमने भी कहा ये क्या हो रहा है. But then when we went out and when we said, no, this is a bias that is getting created, let's keep it on one side. We don't take that they are content. And when we went out and started generating information, we found there's nothing like that. And there was concrete evidence to us to say, okay, no, they are not content. They want things to improve for themselves. But what is it that they want to improve themselves is what not the government is listening, or not what the NRLM or SRLM was listening. So here we had a situation कि यहाँ एक voice है, पर यहाँ उसकी कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है, और जो यहाँ वॉइस है वो ये कह रही है कि इनको तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. सो ब्रेकिंग दैट पर्सपेक्टिव वॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट वी वेंट अबाउट. एंड वंस वी डिड दैट एंड वी देन केम अबाउट एंड वी वेंट टू द कम्युनिटी एंड डिड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज ऑफ हु डू यू थिंक आर द पुअरेस्ट अमंग देम, एंड देयर वर अदर स्टेप्स ऑल्सो. एंड द इंटरेस्टिंग वन दैट आई कैन शेयर इज दैट हम सब शब्द इस्तेमाल करते हैं गरीब. तो हमने कहा गरीब तो हमारा शब्द है. दैट्स समथिंग दैट अंशु आल्सो सेड इन द मॉर्निंग is our word. Somebody external going to the community. We said, why don't we first go to the community and find out what is it that they define as people who are not as well as their average is. We didn't use the word गरीब or weak or whatever it is. हमने कहा आपके यहाँ सबसे जो आपको लगता है जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है उसको आप क्या कहते हो. First getting down that word was important, and it took us some time. But once we got that word, which in case of Beggars was अधीन, तो वो हमने कहा भाई अधीन कौन है. So immediately came a response. हमारे गांव में ये 4 परिवार अधीन है. क्यों है? These are the reasons. So this comes about. So the point that I'm making is, come whatever way, we are external to the community. So it is our responsibility to ensure that we are creating a situation, we are creating a process which allows people to participate and engage in that process on their own terms. And that's where I think what Anshu said in the morning, I would reiterate it, is very important, because we need to have a different language. Another word that comes across is mainstreaming. So this mainstream kya hai? It's basically a dominant culture. And in a community, if I am saying mainstreaming, then everybody starts comparing, ye hamare jaise nahi hai, and I am the mainstream. So this dominant culture, when it predominates, it covers up and actually creates a vocabulary which is very exclusive, which is not inclusive. So conversely, we need to create a vocabulary which is based on equality and equity. I'm consciously using the two words equality and equity in a very conscious manner, that we need to target